Is the Prime Minister's second visit in Japan, cutting across to the Prime Minister's address where he's making the Make in India pitch in Tokyo.
उसको आप जरूर साकार करें और इससे हम
Addressing the Japanese audience there, he's saying that it's time that India and Japan share the common values and also giving a boost to the trade between the two countries. Nuclear deal also likely on the agenda, because this is expected that this visit of the Prime Minister will give a shot in the arm for the India's nuclear energy.
Akio Memura, Chairman JCCI, Dr. Baba Kalyani, I am delighted to visit this great country once again. It is indeed a great pleasure to see so many familiar faces here. I thank CII and Kedanaran for creating this opportunity. I have always considered my engagement with you extremely useful. Over the years, I have visited Japan several times. Indeed, my personal engagement with the leadership, government, industry, and people of Japan is now almost a decade old. Friends, the very word Japan in India is a benchmark of quality, excellence, honesty, and integrity. Japanese people have led the world in sustainable development. There is also a deep sense of social responsibility and ethical behavior. We are also familiar with Japan's enormous contributions to the process of development in other parts of the world, especially in Asia and Africa. India's core values are rooted in our civilizational heritage. It gets inspiration to the teachings of truth from Gautam Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi. It gets its wings from our democratic traditions, emphasizes on both wealth and value creation, a robust sense of enterprise, and quest to modernize and prosper its economy. That is why India and Japan are best suited to work together. In fact, our past has desired us to stand together. Our present is encouraging us to work together. Friends, I have been saying that this 21st century is Asia's century. Asia has emerged as the new center of global growth. It is competitive in manufacturing and services. It's becoming a hub for global innovation. Is home to large talented workforce and as home to 60% of global population, it is an ever expanding market. India and Japan will have to continue to play a major role in Asia's emergence. The growing convergence of views between Japan and India and our spatial, strategic and global partnership has the capacity to drive the regional economy and development and stimulate the global growth. Strong India, strong Japan will not only enrich our two nations, it will also be a stabilizing factor in Asia and the world. Friends, today India is on the path of several major transformations. We have taken decisive steps and built a governance system that will help India realize its potential. The results are already visible. Even against a weak international economic scenario, the news from India is of strong growth, incredible opportunities, and about India's credible policies. In 2015, the Indian economy grew faster than other major economies. World Bank and IMF assess this trend to continue. Lower labor costs, large domestic market, and macroeconomic stability combine to make India a very attractive investment destination. In the last 2 fiscal years, we received about $55 billion as foreign direct investment. This is not only highest ever FDI, but also highest growth in FDI in India. Today, every global company has an India strategy, and Japanese companies are no exception.